Good morning, students. We are in probability. In this probability, we are discussing problems. Today, we will discuss still more problems. Okay, like another model. In that, to know the opinion, to know the opinion, to know the opinion, to know the opinion of the students about the students about the subject statistics, about the subject statistics. Statistics means it is already we know from 6th class to coming the statistics, one of the branch of mathematics. It is one of the branch of mathematics, like mean, median, mode, average. These are all are statistics. Okay, and a survey of 200 students, a survey of 200 students, a survey of 200 students was considered, the data given was considered as data given, the data given opinion number of students, opinion number of students, opinion number of students, like, dislike, like statics, how many they are liking, how many they are disliking, likes, dislike, likes 135, dislike 65. Why? Because very easiest chapter in mathematics, maximum abstract will be, but statistics and the probability, these are not abstract, means these are like our real life problems, maximum these are real life problems, so very easy. Now what they are asking me, so they are probability of, find the probability that a student chosen at random, like statistics, first one, like statistics, probability of, like statistics, stats saying, stats or statistics, probability of stats, like mathematics, maths we are saying, for statistics we are saying stats. How many they are liking is equal to, total outcomes are, total outcomes 200, total add 200 students, survey done, total favorable outcomes are 135 by total outcomes are 200. With 5 are possible, 5 2s are, 5 7s are, 5 4s are 0, so is equal to 27 by 40, 27 by 40. Next, probability of dislike, probability of dislike statics, dislike stats means 65 dislike, 65 students dislike by 200. Possible with 5 jar, 5 1 jar, 5 3 jar, 5 4 jar, 0. So is equal 13 by 40. 13 by 40. These are like dislike. Like statics is the branch of mathematics. Statics like 135 students, and dislike means no need statics. They told 65. For CBSE students also, two types of maths will be standard maths and a normal maths. Okay, standard maths means some more chapters, some extra will be. Normal maths means some less, so only few only for them. Okay, like that. Next see, next what they are saying means here 11 bags of weight, 11 bags of wheat flour, bags of wheat flour, like wheat flour, and they are saying each marked 5 kg, each marked 5 kg, each marked 5 kg. Okay, actually 5 kg actually, okay, actually contained the following weights, contained the following weights, of flour in kg, of flour in kg, 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.03. Next 5 means 5.00, 5.06. Next 5.08, 5.08, 4.98, 4.98, 5.04, 5.04, 5.07. Next to 5, 5.00, 5.00. How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total how many? 11 bags. Total how many? 11 bags. In that what they are asking me, so find the probability that any of 3 bags, find the probability that of any 3 bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. So total outcomes are total number of outcomes is equal to 11. Number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes, how many? Number of favorable outcomes means more than 5 kg. Find the probability that any 3 bags chosen at random contains more than, even 5 kg also no need, more than 5 kg, 4.97 no need, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, even 5 also no need, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98 less, 5.04, 5.07, 5 also no need. So we ticked a few, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.06, 5.08, 5.04, 5.07. These all are more than 5. So favorable outcomes, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Okay, favorable outcomes, how many are there? 7 are there. So probability of E, P of E is equal to 7 by 11. 7 by 11. Okay, 7 by 11. The formula for probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, next you see one more problem. Once again we will revise total probability. Probability is very easiest chapter. Even starts also very easiest chapter. Main theme is probability means like chance. Probability means like chance. In that certain is there most likely, equally likely, less likely, impossible. Already we discussed these are all. Okay, certain means 100%, 100% certain. Most likely, more than 90%. Equally likely, like 50-50 chances. 50-50 chance. Less likely, like 25 to 30%. Next, impossible, 0, not possible, impossible. See, for example, a buffalo can fly. No, impossible event. An helicopter is going under the water. Impossible event. Certain means 100% happening. Main in that coin also discussed. Coin, only one coin means head and tail. 2 outcomes will be. Main equally likely, coin equally likely, dice equally likely, playing cards equally likely. In playing cards, actually in playing cards also problems coming, especially in IIT part. Okay, see, number of probability of number of face cards saying, probability of number of face cards saying, total how many are there? In each part 3 4s are 12 are there. So 12 by 52. Total playing cards how many? 52. In that total face cards how many? 12 by 52. Possible cancellation should do, otherwise it is the answer. Next, probability of number of red face cards. Total face cards are 12. In that red face cards are how many? 6. So 6 by 52. Like that only. Probability of number of black face cards also 6 by 52 only. 6 by 52 only. Next, probability of As or yes. Probability of total yes is equal to 4 by 52. Probability of total yes. Probability of red yes 2 by 52. Probability of black yes 2 by 52. Only single asking means probability of diamond yes 1 by 52. Diamond yes means 1 by 52, like that. Playing cards also we explained, we showed 1 or 2 models also. In that, like this they will ask. And also in that, see, few problems are there. In that, face cards are removed. In that, face cards are removed. Face cards removing after. Total outcome. Face cards removed. Total cards are 52. Total cards are 52. In that we removed face cards. Then we have total cards are 50. Face cards are removing after. Face cards are removing after. Probability of total yes saying means 4 by 40 should write. Compulsory they will mention. In even IIT also from probability to compulsory bit will be. In IIT, JEE also compulsory will be, but toughness is some increasing. Easy only, you should practice, automatically will get. So remove, like this problem they will ask in IIT JEE. Remove the face cards or remove the face cards as well as yes. Then they will ask probability of red number cards, probability of black number cards, probability of diamond number cards, probability of heart cards, probability of heart number cards. Okay, they will ask like that, different problems. Okay, practice. Even net also so many problems are available. In mental maths also so many problems are available. Okay, practice. Any problem not getting means take a photo, send in WhatsApp. I will send for you solutions. Thank you children. Thank you very much.